Oh, those are the two tanks. The two tanks that we see. The power places. The nuclear powers. I don't know if you ever hear about them. About the nuclear powers in Shickshinny. This is Shickshinny. Google it. Back in the 70s, they say there was an accident over here that they evacuated all these people. All these people got evacuated, and they're afraid that they're afraid that they got some kind of radiation. You know what I mean?
So you're telling me this town has radiation?
No, they were afraid of that, you know. But then they did studies and everything, so everything turned to be fine. Supposedly to turn to be fine, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then you think, you know.
I don't like big power plants like that.
What?
I don't like those places.
Oh.
One,
Those are
they're scary. Two,
Those are the ones that we see when you're on 80 and on 81. You see them from far away, like two cones. Remember we saw them?
no, I never see them. I see the things that stick up in the air with the water in them.
Oh, okay.
Never those things.
With water?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're like big long poles with water at the top.
Oh. With water or with clouds?
Water.
Really? Oh, okay.
But I don't like those places.
Yeah, but these ones are the ones. These ones are the supposed to be the power plants, you know.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Yeah.
They're dangerous.
Yeah.
They're not okay.
So this
And
is
they're not
really-
okay for the environment,
I know.
which is where we live. The environment. We live in the world.
You see, we never come through here, never ever, a lot. Like I never, you know, like since you were born, maybe this is the second time, you know. The second time because the first time I think I brought you here was with
Drive faster.
yeah.
What airplane?
And then in the way back, look at that. That's how they used to pump the gas. An old gas pump. Yeah, an old one. Yeah.
I cannot wait to go to Skaterway.
Me too.
Then you don't go to Skaterway.
Yeah, I know. I hear you. I don't like it. When I used to be painful on my legs and this and that. You know what I mean? I used to have to be taking breaks and I just did it for you, you know, like I can't wait till she start coming herself. you know? You know?
Can't wait till she starts coming herself.
Yeah. I you know?
Well, now I go myself.
Yeah.
And it's fun.
And it was so tired, and it was so painful on my legs, so tired. I'd rather walk with my Oreo, you know? Yeah. Yeah. And I got good at it, right? I got very fast too, right? Did I got fast, Kayla?
Kind of.
Yeah, well, kind of. Not very super fast.
What the hell?
But I got fast.
Why are they making chicken?
Chicken? What does that mean?
They're making like
Oh, yeah.
statues.
Oh, and the statues? Oh, okay.
Statues of like gorillas,
Yeah.
chickens,
Yes.
horses,
Oh, God, yeah.
like everything.
Oh, I hear you. Yeah. Oh, look, they got a mini digger over there. Huh? Whoa, they got a car from back in the 1800s or something like that. Did you see it? Something. Maybe.
In 1 mile, take a slight right turn onto Walnut Street.
Okay.
They're riding a map on at the same time as me.
Yeah. I've been following this car for a long time. Do you notice that?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And if they could drive faster, that would be very nice.
Oh no, because you know what? I think they also know the experience of this highway. You know what I mean?
For tickets.
The tickets, yeah. First of all, second of all, you know, what's there? Why would they wanna speed up? This is not a highway. You know what I mean? Like, they should make it a highway. Ooh, it will be. If they make this highway, ooh, it will be a big shortcut for 81 for people to go through Bloomsburg. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like that, they got 118, but it's further up, further away up, and up in the mountains.
Looks nice.
Yeah. Eh?
This neighborhood looks nice.
Yeah.
It looks calm.
These are more like cities, like tiny cities, you know? Like you
Yeah,
can.
this neighborhood looks calm.
Yeah.
Like it's not like rattled up like Wilkes-Barre.
No. Yeah.
Like everyone looks like they lay back. They relax.
Yeah. Like they know each other too. You know what I mean? They all know each other. Oh, look at these these.
Take a slight right turn onto Walnut Street. Then turn left onto East 2nd Street.
This had to be from some rich people, you know. At one time, you know, they probably were rich, you know, make fortune around here, and then they decide to settle over here, you know. Like, oh, I like that place along the river and this and that, you know.
Turn left onto East 2nd Street.
And they're rich, they got money, you know, like this one. This one became a apartment building, but you know, but
A purple house.
yeah, but
In 5.9 miles, take a slight right turn onto Orange Street.
okay.
Really like this.
I think we're on Danville. I think it is. I don't know what they say.
Danville.
Yeah.
Danville Hospital?
Oh no, Danville. No. Yeah, you was good to correct me because no. Towards Danville, but this is towards Danville too. But this is what's it called? I don't know. I forgot. Oh yeah. Check a sign, okay? It'll probably told you the name or a bank would have the name of the city, or a business would have the name of the city. This is you know.
Whitehaven?
No.
They live by Allentown, don't they?
No. That's Amanda's
Oh,
sisters.
this is Amanda's.
This is your brother's sisters.
I just check where we're at.
Yeah.
We're in Berwick.
Berwick. Yeah. You see that? Berwick. Yeah. This is where they live. They say they live here.
In half a mile, take a slight right turn onto Orange Street.
Yeah. Good.
This neighborhood looks old though.
Yeah. And half a mile, take a what? A right? Left.
Right.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not right. Not right here.
No, not right here. In half a mile. I'm hungry, Kayla. You wanna stop at Burger King?
Yeah, but not.
Well, yeah, I wanna. If I stop, you know. I'll go through the drive-thru, okay?
Okay, do they have lunch?
Lunch, yeah. No breakfast, yeah. I wanna get lunch. Yeah, because I you know, I'm hungry, you know. And I know everything over there is very expensive too, you know.
Why on Apple Maps they call this Briar Creek?
I don't know. This is Berwick, yeah. This is where your brother's sister lives. Not Teresa, the other one, Marissa. You know Marissa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's of arrival time.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
To make it there?
Yeah.
Oh God. Yeah. Yeah.
Take a slight right turn onto Orange Street.
30 minutes. If 81 was open, we would have been there by now.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
I know.
Yeah.
In 1.9 miles, take a slight left turn onto West Rittenhouse Mill Road.
Columbus isn't that far now, when I think about it.
Eh?
When I think about it,
What?
Columbus isn't that far.
Yeah. So we took this way. It's not that far. And now did you?
In 3.6 miles, turn left onto Market Street.
Did you notice we? This is 81. I'm not gonna turn left onto no shit. Is it taking us to Interstate 80, Kayla?
That's a very good question.
I just wanna go straight. I'm gonna break it, okay, Kayla?
Okay.
Let's see breaking right here.
You look at the map, because I don't know what the
Yeah,
highways are.
hold on. I'm on Route 11. This is, look at right there. I just follow this.
Okay.
That means don't turn anywhere. Just follow this. Continue with this one.
Well, let me show you the map.
Yeah. Kayla, let's go in, okay? Let's go in because and pick it up to go, okay?
Okay.
To go because
Turn left onto South Warren Street.
Okay,
Then
but
turn
when you
left onto West Front Street.
When you go inside, turn off your map.
yeah.
Or don't
No,
turn it off, but turn the volume down.
volume down, all the way down. Okay.
Because then it's going to start making noise.
I got it. Kayla, I'm leaving them here for right now. Okay, hold on, okay? You got 3, right? Let me also get an extra lid, okay? To put them under the lid, okay?
Or Dad! Dad! You remember how we used to put the ketchup on the lid?
Yes.
Or do that?
Yeah. I don't think I'm really gonna do that. It's too messy, Kayla. That's why I got this guys, okay?
Okay.
I got one anyways, okay? For you, okay? Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh God. And I was just thinking about that. What if it happened to me and it just happened? Thank you. I appreciate it.
That lady was very nice.
Yeah, very
I'll say
nice.
something about it.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, like that? No. Don't without pushing.
Let's just put one on it. Let me see how it goes. Let me put the one with
So without pushing. Without pushing. You know, just like.
Okay.
Is it gonna be safe though?
Yeah. Do we put this one on? Do we have a napkin in there? Is there napkins in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give me the napkins. Okay, there we go.
Mine is a small one.
I should give me marinara sauce.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, they give us all different kinds of sauce now.
Can you open this? I don't know what kind of sauce that is.
Did you ask for marinara sauce?
No, I asked for barbecue.
Barbecue? Was it okay though?
I still want my barbecue.
Let me see. Oh, it works. Yeah, you don't have to push, you know?
Okay, can you go inside and ask for barbecue sauce?
Cool.
You're the one that doesn't have anything on your lap. No drink.
I got everything on my lap.
No ketchup.
Yeah.
No fries. No ice cream.
Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Why don't you like barbecue this sauce, Kayla?
Because that's not.
Why
that's
don't
not
you taste
barbecue
it?
sauce.
Why don't you test it and try to find out?
That's what I asked you to open it.
Oh, okay. Okay, now try it.
That's not barbecue sauce.
No, I'm saying no.
That's. No, Dad. I know what it is. I don't want it. Just give me barbecue sauce.
You know what it tastes like? Like the
The sauce on pizza. That's what it is.
yeah, like the stromboli.
Yeah, because that's what it is.
Okay. Here too. You get two. Okay. I like this one. I don't know about you, but I like this one. You know, I like both of them.
Maybe they gave us that for these stick thingies.
Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, give me. Oh yeah, I already ate two. So yeah, I ate a couple. That's probably what it was for.
Yeah, because it goes with the cheese.
I got this one.
Oh,
No, for those ones I got it.
for your steak.
No, I got it for this one, Dad.
Okay. Go for it.
What?
You got your big Coke container over there. Or fries.
Yeah, no. Oh. Oopsies. Sorry, guys.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't care. I just don't want you to get full of mine and you don't not eat yours. You know.
Yeah, no.
Staying. You know. You don't want it to stay.
When are we gonna go?
Right now. Let me get my food ready. Is this yours? Which one is mine?
That one's yours.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll put some Impossible Whopper on it.
Okay. How do you know when they say Impossible Water?
It says it on the thing.
Yeah.
Mine's vegan, that's why. I like my vegan stuff.
Now we can go.
Okay.